what you're seeing on the screen is two windows side by side to each other. On the left side, I have my TC52AX device sitting on a workstation cradle. And on the right side, you can see my external monitor. This is what is presented to me on a secondary screen. My cradle is connected to a mouse and a keyboard, which is allowing me to interact with my application here on the external monitor while my device is sitting on the cradle. So the first thing you're going to notice here in this environment is that the screen of my mobile device and whatever is happening on my external monitor is completely independent. So instead of having a mirror of whatever is happening on the mobile device, this is allowing me to run applications on the mobile device screen while at the same time I'm working on this external monitor on other applications as well. Now, when the user docks the device into the cradle, on this external monitor, the user is presented with a desktop launcher that provides a user interface that looks very similar to what they will use to be or what they are used to use on a traditional workstation. Here on this kind of environment, you'll notice that there's some shortcuts here on my home screen that allows me to launch applications quickly by doing a click on these icons. As an admin control, an admin can determine what kind of shortcuts are presented to the user on the home screen. You're going to see here at the bottom a taskbar. On the taskbar, I can get access to applications that are installed on my mobile device. An admin control here as well is to determine what applications are presented to the user when they open the All Apps tray here. You can see here that as I'm opening applications, these applications are presented to me at the bottom of my taskbar. The applications are opened in multiple resizable windows that allow me to have multiple applications at the same time and to multitask on multiple applications here on my home screen. On the right side hand of my taskbar, I'm presented here for of information related to my mobile computer. I can see here network connectivity, if I have any Bluetooth peripherals connected, date and time, and I also have here a notification panel that lets me know all the notifications that I have on my mobile device. So think here that the user is now concentrated on the external monitor, so all the information that they might need is presented on the secondary screen. As I mentioned before, you're going to notice that I can open applications on my mobile device screen, while at the same time I have applications here on my desktop. And the applications that I have on my mobile device screen are also going to appear here on the taskbar. So here the user can know if they have applications that are running on each one of the screen. And the taskbar, what it allows for them to do is to move applications from the mobile device screen to the desktop, or the other way around, push applications from the external monitor to the device, and continue working on these applications depending on what is the best layout that they need to perform the activity that they have on hand. Other features that we have with this kind of solution as well is to determine what happens with applications when I undock the device from the cradle, on when I dock the device on the cradle. By default, if I undock my device here, all the applications that I had working on are still going to be here on the device, and I can still launch them from here if I want to continue working on them. And in a similar way, when I dock my device on the cradle, I can bring back all those applications back into my external monitor to continue working on them on my bigger screen. Now we have admin behaviors as well that determine what kind of applications are going to be presented each time I dock and undock my device. So we can really tailor what kind of experience we want for the end user to have in this kind of environment. Here on my taskbar, I also have my audio UI, which allows me to control if I have audio peripherals connected to my workstation cradle. And it allows me as a user to determine what kind of audio peripheral I want to use depending on the application that I have, and also take control of media, volume control of calls, media, notifications, or other kind of things that I'm interacting here from an audio perspective. Now, the last thing that I have here on Workstation Connect is the integration of Workforce Connect. What we have here is that Workforce Connect allows me to do push-to-talk communications or even voice communication when my device is sitting on the cradle through the secondary screen. And what that means is that now I can use the same tools that I had when I was on the go, now in this fixed desktop kind of environment to perform any kind of communication that I might want to have here. So the same tools that I used to have, I still have them here, but now with a bigger UI that provides more information, as now I have access to a bigger screen and other peripherals as well.